Hi there. Now I'm going to teach you how to fix that My AI not showing up on Snapchat. So technically My AI or Snapchat just released an AI of their own called My AI, and it's just generally the same AI of any other apps out there. It helps you with your general concerns and such. So without further ado, let's go on with this. Please open your Snapchat app. Now from here, I want you to check your chat section. And from here, it should be on the top part of your chat section. Actually, it should be pinned on the very top part. And as you can see here, I don't have it yet. So that means in my area, they haven't released Snapchat AI on my area, okay? So it's just a very recent update that it slowly rolls on the public. Snapchat usually does this, and not just Snapchat actually. Any other apps does this. The rollout is actually slow. Anyway, to give you a further brief introduction on what to expect, let's go on this screenshot. I have a photo actually. So this should how it looks like. My AI should actually look like this. A general memoji and says My AI. And how it works is it's just any other AI, as I've told earlier. Just send it a message and all, and it should reply with the general concern that you have and all. Okay? But in case that you have it on your region and you haven't acquired it yet, I want you to go on settings. Make sure you have the latest version of your iOS. To make sure of that, go in general, click on software update. Now make sure you have the latest version of your phone right here. It is 16.4.1 as of now that I'm recording. Make sure you have that one, okay? Moving on, I want you to open the App Store. And from here, should be the landing page of your App Store. Just search Snapchat from here. And then make sure you have the make sure you have the open sign on your Snapchat right here on the App Store. That means you have the latest version of Snapchat. Otherwise, if you have a sign here that says update, please get on with it and click on update. That might solve your problem actually. But just a brief introduction that Snapchat doesn't have My AI on everywhere just yet. It's slowly being rolled out to the public. So 2 tips for you guys: keep on updating your software and your Snapchat application, and just keep an eye out whenever Snapchat rolls that feature on your area. Okay? And that's how you fix your AI not showing on Snapchat. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.